Hello everybody, welcome back to another Pack a Day video. Today we're opening up a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection Trading Cards Booster Pack from a blaster box. So we're going to be getting Horde Red or Molten Core Parallels. So let's dive in. I haven't got an extremely good pull out of these cards yet, so let's hope for luck. So we got Magni Bronzebeard, I believe that's Hearthstone. Yeah. Then we got Sergeant Hammer, Heroes of the Storm, there you go. Then we got Alice Starseeker, which is Hearthstone again, I believe. Yep. We got Echo from Overwatch. And we got a Horde Red Kurdron Wildhammer. That's pretty cool. Obviously, World of Warcraft. Then we got Hydralisk from StarCraft. That's a real cool looking card. Ooh. Alexei Stukov. I do really like the art on a lot of these cards. Then we got Khadgar. So, there you have it. Another Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection Booster Pack. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, follow on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram if you like my videos. You could also check out my eBay. I put a lot of the cards, mystery bags, toys, games, electronics, all types of stuff up there. So check it out if you like to buy things. So until next time, guys. Peace out.